Hello, magical colors, boys and girls. Today we're going to draw rocket. To draw rocket, it is very easy. Let's start drawing rocket by making some triangles. Okay, so let's make triangle. This rocket is going up. Okay, and close it. Now make a U shape and close it. Make one more line here. Now we're going to make a diamond here. Just by making two side lines and go one line that connects. See, now go down sideways and connect. Let's make one mark here and one circle. Looks like this is window. Okay, now we will make some fire. Now make like a zigzag line and connect. Let's make one more. Go up, make a V, then go up again and connect. Okay, now let's make one more that is going this side, just the way we made it before. Okay, just like that. Just make a U shape and make a fire. Go down. You can make 1 2 3 zigzag, or you can do 1 2 and 3 only. Okay, however you like. Make 3 lines, 2 lines, give some designs if you want. It's okay. Be creative and make something unique, a little different. Okay, now let's make one more which is coming down. So we're going to make a triangle like this, and this is going down like this. Do you see? Okay, let's make a U shape like an ice cream, and now we will make triangles like this, and let's make this design it. Okay, make curved lines and you can design. Now make your fire go up high. You can make some lines here all the way, and you can also make square instead of one circle, two circle. You can make one square and one circle. This also looks like triangle which is coming down. Okay, let's put some shooting stars down here like this. Now you can make some, you know what else you can make? You can make some aliens like a spaceship. So make a curve, connect and close it. Now make one more that goes down, connect and close it. This time we're going to put some circles inside this. You can put any design that you want, but I'm just putting the circles as square here as well. And let's make a leg like this here, this way, and then do your top part, this like a backwards U, one more backwards U, and two big eyes like an alien is sitting inside. Ooh, let's make one more spaceship. Okay, this time we're going to make a circle. Okay, and then we're going to put 3 eyes for this alien. 1 2 and 3 eyes. Aliens has many eyes, right? So just make 3 lines. Make antenna like this that goes up. Okay, for the antenna, and then we will make kind of like ears, pokey ears, like a pointy up. Okay, now we will make one backwards kind of looking U shape, but just make curved lines from both the side. Okay, now we're going to close it, and let's curve, make a round and make a ship here. Okay, like this. Now come down, make a curve and connect like this, and make a circle, make a circle, make a circle. Okay, this is UFO. Okay, and this is called UFO, aliens spaceship, and make a curve like this. Okay, and this is it. Now you can color if you like to. Let's color green to this one. Okay, you can make different colors, or you can color one whole, like I am doing one full green. Okay, you can make our fire like a yellow and red color like I've done here, and you can add some colors. Okay, red and yellow makes what color? Orange. So flames are mostly orangish reddish color. Okay, let's put some red here, so this will turn into orange. Now let's color this one blue. We already have one blue, so let's color this yellow. Okay. All yellow, yellow and yellow. We forgot to put the flying jets here for our jet. Okay, for our rocket wings. Okay, this one goes up, so we're going to make up, up and connect like that. Yeah. And then you can color whatever color you like. Let me finish this and you do it with me too. So what color is your favorite? I'm going to put this one as red color, and my favorite color is red. What is your favorite color? Maybe red. Okay, you can make like one like a rainbow also. Okay, so do what you like and create a beautiful design and put some, you can make a dark color all over and make a sky like this. I have peeled some crayon from here, so you can make your sky like this, and you can leave some space for stars. Do not color inside. Okay, let's put some space here for our star. Okay, we will not color inside and it will be all white. Uh-oh, the color went inside. It's okay, you can color with the just black, that is fine too. Almost done. Our black skies are looks black, but they are blue in color, right? But at night time it is all black. Yes, all black at night time. So now you color your spaceship, or you can just leave it the way it is. And this is our rocket and spaceship. So have fun.